Hello, future engineers. There is a video in integral calculus, particularly on evaluating indefinite integrals. The guide to these problems, the techniques, are in part 0. So if you want to check the answers here using the guides and techniques in part 0, then you can go over them and solve this problem or verify the answers to these problems here. So there are 5 exercises in these problems, and these exercises are taken from the book by Love and Rainville, Differential and Integral Calculus, and the numbering is also the same. So these 5 problems are taken from that book. So for the first part, we have to rewrite this into integral. We have 2 beta minus 1 differential beta over 16 beta square plus 8 beta plus 37 as 1 over 16 times quantity 32 beta plus 8 minus 24 closed differential beta over same denominator. So take note that the first two terms, 32 beta plus 8 times differential beta is the differential of the denominator, and 1 over 16 times 32 plus beta becomes 2 beta, which is the original, plus 8 over 16, which is 1 half, then supposedly minus 3 halves to make it 2 beta minus 1. And 3 halves is represented, negative 3 halves is represented by negative 24 over 16. So take note that if you distribute 1 over 16 to these terms, it will go back to that. So that is set up in order for us to evaluate the integral. So this is now integral of 1 over 16 times quantity 32 beta plus 8 differential beta minus 3 halves, negative 24 over 16, integral of differential beta over the denominator, which is rewritten as 4 beta plus 1 quantity square plus 36, and 36 is 6 square. So 1 over 16 integral of quantity 32 beta plus 8 differential beta over 16 beta square plus 8 beta plus 37 minus 3 halves of 1 over a, because this a here is the 1 over 4, the differential of 4 beta, sorry, 1 over 4, the differential of 4 beta plus 1. If you let u be 4 beta plus 1, the differential is 4 differential beta. That's why we put the reciprocal of 4 here. Then this is now in the form integral of du over u squared plus a squared, whose integral is 1 over a arctangent of u over a, where a is 6 and u is 4 beta plus 1. So the final answer, it is equal to 1 over 16 ln of quantity uh, 16 beta square plus 8 beta plus 37 minus 3 eighths of 1 over a, 1 over 6 arctan of u 4 beta plus 1 over a over 6 plus c. Simplifying, that's 1 over 16 ln of quantity 16 beta square plus 8 beta plus 37 minus 1 over 16 arctangent of quantity 4 beta plus 1 over 6 plus c. So that's the answer to the first problem. We proceed to the second one. So after we divide by long division the numerator by the denominator, the result is equal to integral of quantity 1 plus 3 over u minus 1. So if we check, 1 times u minus 1 is u minus 1 plus 3. So that would be u plus 2, differential u, over LCD, which is u minus 1. So that's the correct expression after we perform long division first. So obviously this is u, integral of 1 du is u, integral of 3 over u minus 1 is 3 ln of u minus 1. So the final answer is u plus 3 ln of u minus 1 plus c. Then we proceed to number 26. We write this as integral of dt over quantity 2t plus 1 square plus 2 square, which is 2, 4. So 2t plus 1 square plus 2 square. So it is the same as that. So this is now in the form integral of du over u square plus a square. The integral is arctan. U is 2t plus 1 and a is 2. So since u is 2t plus 1, the differential is 2 dt. So we put 2 here and put the reciprocal here. So that's 1/2 integral of 2 dt over quantity 2t plus 1 square plus 2 square. So this is now in the form 1/2 integral of du over u square plus a square. The integral is 1/2 times 1 over a, 1 over 2, then arctan of u, which is 2t plus 1 over a 2 plus c. So the final answer is 1/4 arctan of quantity 2t plus 1 over 2 plus c. That's it. That's the explanation. Let's proceed to 26. We write this as, sorry, this is already 26. We proceed to 27. Integral of cosine square alpha over 1 plus sine alpha differential alpha. We write cosine square alpha as 1 minus sine square alpha. Then we factor 1 minus sine square alpha into 1 minus sine alpha, 1 plus sine alpha. Then over 1 plus sine alpha, cancel out 1 plus sine alpha. So this is now integral of 1 minus sine of alpha, quantity differential alpha. So integral of differential alpha is alpha, while the integral of negative sine alpha differential alpha is cosine of alpha. So the final answer, alpha plus cosine of alpha plus c. Then number 28, integral of cosine square of cosine square theta differential theta over sine theta. So we write that as 1 minus sine square theta over sine theta differential theta. So this reduces to integral of 1 over sine theta, which is cosecant of theta, then minus sine theta, then quantity differential theta. So integral of cosecant theta d theta, we have an available formula for that, and that is ln of quantity cosecant theta minus cotangent theta, or absolute value. Then, of course, integral of negative sine theta d theta is cosine of theta. So the final answer, ln of quantity cosecant theta minus cotangent theta plus cosine theta plus c. So that's the integral. Let's proceed to 29. Integral of x dx over square root of 16 minus 25x to the fourth. We write this as integral 1/10 integral of 10x dx over square root of 16 minus quantity 5x square, because this is in the form, if you put u be 5x squared, the differential of 5x squared is 10x dx. So that's why you put 10 reciprocal of 10 before the integral sign, and this is now in the form du over square root of 16, which is 4 square minus u square, whose integral is arc sine of u over a, and a is 4 square root of 16. So the answer is 1 over 10 arc sine of 5x squared over 4 plus c. So integral of x dx over square root of 16 minus 25x to the fourth is 1 over 10 arc sine of quantity 5x squared over 4 plus c. So that's it for this video.